Stop wasting hours drowning in messy campaign spreadsheets while your profit margins bleed out. There are hidden, highly profitable patterns buried deep within your creative spend right now, but your human eyes are literally programmed to miss them. Welcome back to AMA, AI Tech, the channel where we uncover the most powerful AI tools to automate your workflows and scale your business. Today, we are talking about a massive pain point for every marketing agency and media buyer: campaign auditing. Is your agency still auditing campaigns the old-fashioned way? Or are you using AI to fund your next $1 million scale? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we plug our raw agency data into a custom-trained AI to dismantle underperforming ad sets and pinpoint high-margin opportunities with surgical precision. By leveraging a tool called CustomGPT, we've found a way to transform chaotic data into a clear map for aggressive growth. Watch as we turn raw data exports into actionable growth blueprints in just seconds, leaving spreadsheet fatigue behind for good. Let's dive in and see exactly how we automate the detection of conversion patterns to flip failing accounts into profitable powerhouses instantly. Let's talk about the absolute nightmare that is manual data analysis. If you are managing multiple client accounts, you know the drill. You download massive CSV files from Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok. You open Excel, create endless pivot tables, apply lookups, and try to make sense of thousands of rows of raw agency export data. It is a slow, mind-numbing process. But here is the real problem: the massive opportunity cost. While you are spending 4 hours manually filtering CPA and ROAS columns, the market is shifting. You are missing micro trends. You are overlooking scaling triggers buried deep within the data because human fatigue sets in. Contrast this slow, archaic process against the instantaneous pattern recognition of the latest multimodal GPT models, powering CustomGPT. This is the modern workflow. We are moving away from manual spreadsheet fatigue. CustomGPT allows us to build an AI agent entirely trained on our specific agency data. It doesn't just read the numbers. It understands the context of our campaigns. In this video, I'm going to set the stage for a completely revamped workflow that transforms these messy CSV files into high-conviction growth strategies in under 60 seconds. No coding required, just pure, automated intelligence. The magic of CustomGPT isn't just that. It's ChatGPT. It's that it is your ChatGPT. To get these insane results, we need to train our audit engine for absolute precision. On my screen, you can see the CustomGPT dashboard. The first step is uploading our knowledge files. This is where we teach the GPT our agency's unique key performance indicators (KPIs) and specific attribution logic. I am inputting specific system prompts right now. I am telling the AI, you are an elite, ruthless media buyer. Our target CPA is $25, but we value 60-day lifetime value over day 1 ROAS. You can securely upload your raw campaign exports directly into the system. And for those worried about client confidentiality, CustomGPT is built with enterprise-grade security, ensuring data privacy and maintaining strict compliance with current 2026 platform standards. Your data is isolated. It is not used to train public models. Before we scale, we must verify. Look at this. I am running the initial sanity check phase. Within seconds, the AI scans the entire dataset and identifies data discrepancies, like a tracking pixel firing twice on specific days, or anomalous CPM spikes. Finding this manually would require hours of data cleaning. CustomGPT flags it instantly, ensuring our scaling decisions are based on pristine, accurate data. Now that our data is clean and our AI is trained, it is time for the main event: extracting profitable scaling triggers. The most common mistake media buyers make is scaling based on surface-level metrics. They look at yesterday's return on ad spend, ROAS, and increase the budget. But that is amateur hour. Watch as I ask our CustomGPT to identify what we call the invisible winner. The AI cross-references creative spend with long-term conversion value. It looks past a slightly higher upfront CPA to find the campaigns that bring in high-ticket, recurring customers. Look closely at this output. By using our custom instructions, the AI has successfully isolated high-performing audience segments that are currently being starved of budget due to over-averaging. The campaign looked average overall, but CustomGPT dug deep and found a specific ad set that is converting like crazy, but isn't getting enough daily spend. Finally, it transitions from raw analysis to strategic output by giving us a ranked list. It literally tells us, scale ad set A by 20% today. It has an 85% statistical probability of maintaining profitability. This is a cheat code for aggressive growth. To scale the winners, we must ruthlessly cut the losers. You cannot build $1 million campaign if you are bleeding cash on terrible creatives. We configure this CustomGPT to act as a ruthless media buyer by spotting bleeder campaigns that fail to meet our specific marginal CPA thresholds. I am asking the AI to analyze creative fatigue indicators. It detects performance decay patterns across different ad formats and placements that a human would easily miss. For example, it notices that a specific video ad performs great for the first 48 hours, but its click-through rate drops by 60% on day 3. And here is the masterpiece: the kill list. CustomGPT doesn't just say, turn this off. It provides crystal clear data-backed justifications for pausing specific ad sets. It tells us exactly how much capital we are saving by dismantling these underperforming assets, allowing us to reallocate that exact budget toward the winning triggers we identified just moments ago. It removes all emotion from media buying and replaces it with cold, hard logic. Insights are useless without execution. The final step is turning this AI analysis into an actionable reality for your agency. We don't just want a chat log, we want a blueprint. I am now instructing CustomGPT to convert all its findings into a structured implementation roadmap. It maps out exact budget increases, bid caps, and creative refreshes required for the next 72 hours. But we take it a step further. Because CustomGPT offers API and integrations, you can seamlessly push this output directly into your team's communication tools, like Slack or Microsoft Teams. This ensures the media buying department can act on the insights immediately without any manual data entry. Finally, you establish a recurring audit loop. Every Friday, you upload the new CSV. The CustomGPT learns from each scaling cycle, retaining the history of what worked and what didn't, making your agency's strategic decisions sharper, faster, and infinitely more profitable over time. The era of manual spreadsheet fatigue is over. If you run an agency, buy media, or just want to scale your business aggressively, you cannot afford to ignore this technology. CustomGPT is the ultimate unfair advantage. You don't need to take my word for it. You can build your own CustomGPT audit engine right now. Click the exclusive link down in the description below to start your completely free trial with CustomGPT today. Upload your own data, run your own audit, and watch it find hidden profits in your campaigns within minutes. If you found this strategy valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AMA AI Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the AI tools that are reshaping the digital landscape. Drop a comment below if you want me to share my exact system prompts in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.